Hi, I'm Amy from eSpares, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about our go-to outdoor cleaning products. We've put together a whole range of products that are great for your outdoor appliances like your pressure washer or barbecue, and some products that are great for tackling things like rust, glass, stone, wood and more. No matter the time of year, it's great to keep on top of your outdoor cleaning tasks, and it's even easier to do this when you have the right products for the job. The first product we'd like to mention is this WD-40 multi-use spray. This is our 100ml bottle, but it is available on our website in a range of different sizes. WD-40 is well known for its multitude of uses. This versatile little product can clean a chainsaw blade, fix a squeaky door hinge or gate, protect your garden tools from rust and corrosion, and keep your lawnmower blades in good condition. No matter the size of your garden or your tool collection, there will be jobs that WD-40 can help you with. Next, we're going to look at some products to clean your outdoor floors. This Wellco path and patio cleaner does exactly what it says on the tin. Frequent use will leave your paths and patios that are looking a little bit worse for wear looking like new again. This super little product from Wellco is really easy to use. Simply mix a small amount of cleaner with warm water and watch stains, algae and watermarks wash away. Just one bottle can make 5 litres of solution, so it will last a good few washes too. If you have stone or decking in your outdoor area, then Wellco have a similar product for this too. Again, simply mix a small amount of the solution with warm water and wipe away any dirt or grime with ease. If you use a pressure washer to clean your outdoor areas, then we have a range of cleaners and accessories to make the job a whole lot easier. This is a stone and paving plug and clean detergent from Karcher. It's for use on stone, gravel and facades that are looking a bit tatty due to dirt and grime. But it's also extremely effective on a variety of different substances like street pollution, fungi, grime, mud, dirt, algae and more. What makes this detergent stand out is its exclusive 3-in-1 formula. It gives outstanding cleaning results, protects against wind and weather damage, and keeps your outdoor surfaces cleaner for longer. The simple plug and clean system means that your bottle will easily fit into the connector of your pressure washer and you can start your cleaning right away. When cleaning wood with your pressure washer, Karcher offer this 3-in-1 wood cleaning solution. It offers exceptional performance and UV protection when cleaning your decking, fences, garden furniture and shed. And it also has a plug and clean system so you can start working with it straight away. Next up, we have this excellent Karcher cleaning kit for your gutters and drains. If your gutters and drains have become blocked with leaves, dirt or other grime that builds up over time, then this kit will come in very handy. The kit includes 2 red high pressure nozzles and 2 grey high pressure nozzles. These can cleverly feed water through a sled attachment that glides through gutters, clearing leaves and other deposits. The kit also comes with a 20-metre kink-free hose, so you can stay safely on the ground and still assist the movement of the sled by feeding it more hose accordingly. The kink-free technology means that the hose won't get stuck when moving up and down. The kit also comes with brass connectors, a clamp with a hose guide, and a sieve to cover up the drop pipe. For more information on how to use this kit properly, take a look at our video up here. So now that we've cleaned your outdoor flooring and guttering, it's time for your windows. This glass cleaner concentrate from Karcher is a great product and will leave your windows sparkling. Its highly effective formula will remove grease, mud, insects and finger marks, leaving you with streak-free and crystal clear windows. It's also great for tackling marks left by other cleaning product residue. As it's concentrated, you only need to add 1.5 capfuls of cleaner into a spray bottle filled with water so you can achieve cleaner windows for longer. Polish your windows clean with a microfiber cloth for the perfect finish. The next outdoor cleaning task to tackle is your barbecue. Now this might seem like a difficult job, but we've got all sorts of products to help make it a whole lot easier. Here is our eSpares very own branded premium barbecue cleaner, and it comes in a 500ml bottle and is suitable for all barbecue types. All you need to do is spray the areas in need of a treatment, leave for 2 minutes and scrub away the area with a scourer or a brush. Burnt on food, grease and grime will lift away, leaving your barbecue clean and ready for the next warm day. For the most stubborn stains, use this Rolson 4-row wire brush. It has a very comfortable wooden handle and very sturdy wire brushes that remove even the toughest of dirt build-ups. It has 4 rows of wire, making it more effective at removing stains than a standard bristle brush. A great way to keep your barbecue even cleaner is by using a barbecue hot plate liner. This 40 by 50 centimetre sheet sits at the bottom of your barbecue and catches grease, grime and sticky marinades that would usually sit at the bottom of your barbecue. It can also be used in your oven too, up to 260 degrees Celsius, and the non-sticky liner can easily be removed and wiped clean or washed with warm soapy water, ready for reuse. Finally, we're going to look at some great products to help making the dreaded chore of cleaning your car much easier. eSpares have a wide range of car cleaning products to make your motor look and smell like new again. First up, we have this alloy wheel cleaner. It comes in a 500ml bottle, and unlike some other wheel cleaners, it's non-abrasive, non-corrosive and free from acid. It's really effective for getting your alloy wheels sparkling clean with a powerful formula that removes brake dust, oil, traffic dirt and debris in a matter of minutes. All you have to do is spray it directly onto the wheels, leave for 2 to 5 minutes, scrub away the grime with a brush and then rinse it off. To give your car body an overall clean, the eSpares car shampoo works wonders too. Again, coming in a 500ml bottle, this fast-acting formula will give you 5 great washes. All you need to do is mix 100ml with 10 litres of water, wash your car as normal and then leave to dry for a flawless finish. The cleaner will lift dirt from your paintwork and won't leave you with any annoying watermarks. Its specialist sheeting formulation will even leave your vehicle looking clean in all weather conditions. To give your car that showroom finish, use the eSpares Car Wash and Wax Concentrated Cleaner. Just as it says on the bottle, this is designed to give your car a wash and a wax at the same time. Just pour 50ml from the 500ml bottle into 10 litres of warm water, wash your car as normal and then rinse with clean water, and you'll be left with a clean and shiny motor. If your car is prone to stubborn bug and road tar dirt, then this eSpares Bug and Tar Remover will help get rid of it. The high-performing 500ml formula is water-based and non-streaking to remove stains without affecting your paintwork. What's more, there's no need for abrasive substances and scourers which can cause further damage to your exterior. All you need to do is apply the formula to the affected area, allow to soak in for 30 seconds, then wipe and rinse. And finally, your windscreen. The eSpares Screen Wash Concentrate is a strong formula that removes road dirt, traffic film and bug deposits and a manner of other things from your windscreen. The 500ml bottle can make 2.5 litres of cleaner, so you can enjoy better visibility for longer. So there you have it, our guide to outdoor cleaning products to make your chores a whole lot easier. If you're interested in any of these products, we'll link down below in the description where you can get your hands on them on our website. If you're interested in our indoor cleaning products video, we'll link this here so you can watch that next. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for even more cleaning videos and maintenance and repair advice for your household appliances. Thanks for watching.